How to turn our Facebook video autoplay. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off Facebook video autoplay. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Simply you need to launch Facebook application and then make sure to log in. Select three-line menu icon in top right corner. Scroll down, select settings and privacy and then choose settings option. Scroll down and under Preferences tap on Media. Here you will see the option of Autoplay. Simply you need to choose Never Autoplay Videos to turn off Facebook Autoplay of videos. So this is applicable on both iPhone or Android devices. So by following this way, you will successfully turn off Facebook video autoplay. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.